Today's star of the shave is Ariana and Evan's Tramp stamp. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, the star of the shave is Ariana and Evan's Tramp stamp. I'm also using an Alysworth Apex AL with a Wilkerson sword from Germany. My beautiful RazoRock Monster Brush Synthetic. And of course my trusty TRC ladder ball. And my beautiful bougie sprayer. Oh, cool thing. I'm really getting good at this matching stuff. It's like this little pink rose and the pink background. This is in between. So, oh man. I've been eager to use this for a while. Funny story. I got this in the Ariana and Evans meetup in November. And Jason, did you use it? No, because I had to be in a special mood to use it. I don't know, you know me. You've seen enough of my videos already in my lives and, you know, like, this guy's weird. He does things off the book and all that, off the hook or whatever. Well, okay. I want to dedicate this shave to the next generation in the wet shaving family. What I mean by that is this scent was created by Peter Chakalis' daughter, Talia. Now, the reason why I'm focusing on that is because there's a lot of artisans, hardware, software, people in the community that their children are jumping in and then leading the charge for the next generation. When one day this beautiful hobby of ours, more people are going to be accepting it. So this shave is for the next generation and is dedicated. And only a community like this, which represents the true meaning of embracing love, support, and encouragement, that you can really experience that and see it firsthand. I think this is her second or third scent she created. She's working in a lab, in the scentatory, or whatever you want to call it, making beautiful banger scents. And so this is like a tribute to the early 2000s. Not only the scent, but back then there was a thing, you know, the back tattoo, they called it a tramp stamp. So that inspired her. So I'm doing this shave because it's not only the presents, but the presents to honor and set up the future. And, spoiler alert, I'm going to be doing more things like this, you know, honoring not only the hardware and the software artisans, but the people who are pillars in this community and their offspring or wherever the next generation of them and what they created. Because this is such a talented family. I call my wet shaving community family. You hear that all the time. And just to talk about this beautiful talents of everybody, it just makes me feel like a better person. And all the support and love I get is the reason why I am the happy person you see. Ask people that actually knew me before, and Jason was grumpy Jason. God, I love setting up my Shave of the Day lineup. In the comments, tell me, let me know what you want to know about. I'm curious what you want to know, people of the world, of the interwebs, or the YouTubes. Oh man. People, don't sell yourself short. Get yourself this soap or something like it, because it's not too overpowering rose scent. It's just right. It feels like the early 2000s. Minus the tramp stamp tattoo. I mean, if you want to get it, it's, hey, you do what you want. Look at me mumbling and coherent at the same time. Ah. God, I love setting up a lineup that not only matches in the okay. I'm lost for words. Okay, I got it now. I like to match something that matches, but not only through the visual, but more to the spiritual. I just love when I could just speak my mind, get your comments, hear what you have to say. God, this smells so good. Let me see. Well, I don't want to take a chunk. It's just a ladder. Nah, this isn't a tasting ladder, but it does taste kind of good. Maybe like the little, they put those roses in the little champagne or the wine or whatever. I don't drink no more. Almost over 7 years clean and sober. Yeah! Okay. God, this is so good. Let me wash down the scent. Let's go for that third pass. God, I love shaving. I love sharing with you how I shave. You get a little see insight sneak in my brain. Hope I don't scare you. I had a great therapy session online. I think, you gotta put the effort into working to building your own mental sanity and health. You only have one health, may it be physical, spiritual, or mental. But anyway, back to my main theme. I just love how this community supports one another. How we're seeing second and even to a certain extent third generations of people entering this beautiful hobby of traditional wet shaving. I'm proud of it, and my dream is to be a spotlight for everybody. We all shine a light on each other, and we all become one big bright light, but individuality, like the Borg in Star Trek. But without assimilating people, just sharing a positive message. Resistance is futile. No. Me geeking out. Me talking about sci-fi. Oh, man. I am getting a good aftertaste. Like a rose dessert. Something they'll serve in like Italy or in Europe, in the Middle East or something. Oh, man. I forgot to take out my my wipes, so yeah. Sorry for the rumbling. It's not chips. It's not Lay's potato chips. It's wipes, you see? Oh, man. Oh. God, so smooth. BBS, baby. Bowling ball smooth. God, I'm so happy. I wanted to do this shave, but I wasn't in the mood or in the spirit to do it. And now I am. Let me close. Sorry for the crinkling. Oh, this ambrosia of the splash. Hush. Look, I'm being generous with this baby. Oh, it smells more sweet. Wow, you stayed to the end of this video? Thank you so much. Let me go over my lineup again. A beautiful Alysworth aluminum apex razor with a Wilkerson sword from Germany. The beautiful matching bougie spray. I fell down that rabbit hole really hard. My beautiful RazoRock monster brush and my beautiful TRC lather ball. And of course, the star of the shave, Ariana and Evan's Tramp stamp. In honor of the current greatness and the future greatness. Wow. If you have time, 9 a.m. Eastern time, go watch four great people on Instagram on the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live. And for all your wet shaving needs, go to therazorcompany.com. And thank you for staying this long. And let's encourage the next generation and everything. And you are special. I love you and have a great life.